Okay, so hi guys. So today I will share with you the statement purpose that I composed with the help of the internet. Of course, I made a short, like a little bit research para magawa itong piece, like SOP. So SOP is very delicate, so you need to make it like you need to check the grammar, you need to check the wordings and the spelling. Also, lahat ng ilalagay mo dito dapat is true. So, here is my letter, like statement of purpose, how I make the statement of purpose. Firstly, is the motivation for applying. The second paragraph contains the motivation. I would love to learn their culture. I want to like contribute to the learning system in Taiwan. And then paramdam mong excited ka. I'm excited to contribute, blah blah blah. And for the third paragraph is my background and experience. So I put here the master's degree of education and my major is social studies. So my experience, yung 4 years experience. So by the way, I have the experience of teaching in online and offline setting. For 4 years, I've done a lot of multitasking tasks. So yeah, it, it will blow your mind. In the morning, I teach physically. In the evening, I teach online sa mga Chinese students, international students with different backgrounds, with different cultures. I think kasama na mga Koreans, Japanese, and Nigerians, meron pang Ukrainian, meron pang galing sa Saudi, galing sa Qatar. So, a lot of cultures. Madaming cultures ang na-met ko from adult, tapos mga kids, and toddlers, ayan. So, sabihin mo dito, it developed me and my teaching style kung meron kang ganong experiences. Kung wala naman, huwag mo nang ilagay. Kasi hindi naman required ang may experience sa teaching. All they want to see is that you're willing to do whatever it takes to like to be one of their teachers sa TFETP program. Okay, so next paragraph contains why you are fitted for this position. So, ayan. So, ibenta mo na talaga yung sarili mo dito. Ayan. The next one is the career plan. Ano ba yung plano mo? Di lang basta pagdating mo doon, okay na. No. You should have your plans ahead. They want to see that you are advanced when it comes to planning and you have your objectives and goals as a teacher there. And also, gusto din nilang malaman ano ba yung gagawin mo pag nasa Taiwan ka na, ano ba yung aims mo, yan, just like helping my students to develop their English skills. And wag niyong kakalimutan yung phrase na you want to like student-centered learning. Yan. So, learner-centered approach can be. So, wag niyong kakalimutan na ilagay na I believe in a learner-centered approach. That is what they are looking for. And soon I will teach you the tricks and tips in the interview. Okay, so the last paragraph contains the conclusion and told them that I am confident with a heart. Ayan. So, you should make your SOP as interactive as possible, malaman dapat, and don't forget to make a formal words, like put formal words there. Ayan. So, dapat talagang mako-curious at mako-curious sila sa mga pinagagagawa mo sa buhay. That's why, nung pagka-graduate ko pa lang ay kumuha na agad ako ng experience and then nag-masters agad and then habang nag nagtuturo ako sa academy, nag-board exam agad, nakapasa agad, praise God. And I think God is really good sa buhay ko because He gave me the desires of my heart. Although, yung master's, it's a gift for my dad because he wants me to take my master's degree. And I think I needed it, of course, to grow as a person, as a teacher. Ayun. So, congratulations once again, teachers, for watching this video. And alam ko nagre-ready ka na for your requirements at TFETP. See you there. Goodbye.